Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on Construction Management and Entrepreneurship for 5th semester VTU students. Today, in this session, we'll be looking into the various factors which affects the selection of an equipment and equipment maintenance. Selection of construction equipment. There are different factors which affect the selection of an equipment. They are listed one by one. Suitability for job conditions. The equipment must meet the requirement of the work, climate and working condition. Size of the equipment. Size of equipment should be such that it must be able to be used with other matching units. If the equipment selected is of larger size, that will remain idle for most of the time or shall work on part loads, which means production cost will be more. On the other side, if the equipment is of smaller size than desired, the equipment will not be able to work with the matching equipments. Hence, other equipments will have to remain idle or to be allowed to work on part loads, which shall again be uneconomical. Standardization. It is better to have same type or size of equipments in the project. It means lesser spare part reserve, more interchangeability of parts if required, easy for the operators to understand it. Mechanics will be able to maintain and repair better as they become expert by handling similar type of equipment. Availability of equipment. The equipment which is easily available in the market should be purchased. It should also be ensured that the equipment is of reputed and is likely to be continued to be manufactured in future also. This is necessary for future standardization and ensuring spare parts supply. Availability of spare parts. While selecting a particular type or make of equipment, it should be ensured that the spare parts will be available at a reasonable price throughout the working life of the equipment. Versatility. There are certain type of equipments which are not utilized fully. Therefore, if possible, they must be capable of performing more than one function. For example, excavator with wheel loader bucket arrangement or with rock breaker attachment. Availability of know-how. The equipment selected should satisfactorily handled by available operators and mechanics. Used in the future project. When equipment completes only a part of their useful life in the project, it should be kept in view that the equipment can be used in future projects and may not become obsolete. Economical aspects. While selecting the equipment, it should be considered that the cost of unit production should be minimum. Reliability of the equipment. Equipment selected for the project must be a reliable one. Service support. Service support should be available in the area of the project where the equipment shall be used. Service after sales is a major criteria for selection of equipment. Operating requirements. The equipment selected should be easy to operate and maintain, acceptable to the operator, and should have lesser fuel consumption. Past performance. If the equipment being purchased is of new make and model, it is desirable to ensure about its performance from other users who are using the same. The size and number should be such that full life and utilized in the project with very little residue. Reputation of the manufacturer. Warranty or guarantee by the manufacturer are also few of the criteria which has to be kept in mind while selecting a construction equipment. Now we will look into equipment maintenance. Every machine is thoroughly tested and inspected by the manufacturer before selling it, and by the purchaser before it has been put to use. When it is used, it is subjected to wear and tear. Hence, proper attention should be given to protect them from failures. A proper attention means lubrication, cleaning, timely inspection, and systematic maintenance. Maintenance of a machine means efforts directed towards the upkeep and the repair of that machine. Maintenance is responsible for the smooth and efficient working of an equipment and helps to improve its productivity. It also helps in keeping the machine in a state of maximum efficiency with economy. Objectives of equipment maintenance: to maximize the availability of plant, equipment, and machinery for productive purpose, to extend the lifespan of the equipment, plant, and other facilities by minimizing their wear and tear, to ensure operational readiness of equipment at all times, to reduce the cost of lost production due to breakdown, to provide information to the management on the cost and effectiveness of the management, to ensure thorough regular inspection and maintenance of plant, equipment, and other facilities such as compressors, elevators, material handling equipments, etc. Now we will look into what is breakdown maintenance. In breakdown maintenance, defects are rectified only when the machine cannot perform its function any longer and the production department is compelled to call on the maintenance engineer for the repairs. Only after repairing the defect, the maintenance engineer do not attend the machine again until another failure occurs. Preventive maintenance. It aims to locate the sources of trouble and to remove them before the breakdown occurs. It is also called scheduled maintenance. Preventive maintenance helps to find out the reasons leading to the breakdown and to rectify them when they are in minor stages. Further, this repair requires lesser time as compared to that of the breakdown repair, and thus downtime is reduced by doing preventive maintenance. That's it for today's session. Thank you very much.